Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to sign out of your Fantasy Premier League account. So you need to first open your web browser and go to the official FPL website. Now on the website, click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then after click on My PL settings. Then after select the manage account option that is in the bottom. Here you'll get two different options of sign out and delete account. Select log out option, which is under sign out of your account section, and you'll be instantly signed out of your account. But if you're in the website of fantasy.premierleague.com, you'll directly see the sign out button beside the help section in the top. You can go ahead and select it, and then you'll be instantly signed out of your specific Premier League account. And in order to log in back, click on login and then enter your specific email address or account password to sign into your specific account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.